So we're here today just outside Chaddesley Corbett at Mr Walker's house. So this one is a 10-panel system on a 3.6 Hanshu hybrid inverter with a 9.4 kilowatt battery. We actually installed the inverter and battery into a suitcase room, which is at the front of the property, whereas you can see before the panels are at the back of the property. What we actually did with the cabling at the front of the house is quite interesting in the sense of how we've disguised it so that it looks part of the house when it was originally constructed. You can just about see where conduit goes up to the side of the house and into the room where the battery and inverter is located. At Solar Select, we're crazy about stickers, not only from a health and safety point of view, but also for MCS and NCIC. So the idea is that if the property is sold at any point, somebody can come along to the property and see exactly what's going on with it. So with this one, we noticed that the system would need an isolator switch, which we arranged for the customer, which is here. And then we installed our own board, which will work independently from the actual existing board in the property. So on there you've got all of your stickers, of course, and also we engrave our logo and website and phone number in the top right hand corner, just in case anything happens to the stickers over time. The customer at that time has always got a point of contact to go to. So what was really interesting about the design of this system is that after having a conversation with Richard Walker today, he's mentioned that all the predictions in terms of the solar generation, payback periods, are actually all on point. Now that just shows that we're doing a fantastic job in terms of predictions, but secondly, it is also down to, of course, the installation of the system. If you want to be like Richard Walker and you're in a similar position or you've got various questions, please click on the link below, give us a call, send us your details, and we can talk you through the process.